So I bought this a couple of weeks ago. It's the cheapest socket set on eBay. They're all smashed, so the case ain't much good. It says 261 pieces. No, sorry, 216 pieces. Obviously the case is rubbish, but it's got to be in there for now. It actually came with a couple of pieces missing. Actually, just one piece missing now. So maybe the other piece is lying about. Oh, that's a shame, because I moaned and said there was two pieces missing, but it's actually just fell out somewhere. But he gave me a bit of a discount for the crack box anyway, so I think I paid total £36 for this, which is amazing for what you get. And some look like good quality. The sockets ain't too bad. These are a bit strange. Ow, that's got a sharp edge on it. Well, still burrs. It's like they've got really thick. I suppose that's a good thing for strength. But like that one, you can see it's the same size as the others. They just use a different tool to drill it out, or whatever they do, mould it. But everything feels reasonable. The spanners feel really good. And it's got a lot of selection. I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on a toolkit again, because they ain't paying for themselves at the minute. I just wanted something cheap so I could do my own repairs on my car. And so far it's been really good. Oh, that's broke. I haven't tested that one. But the 3/8 is dead. But the rest of them are good. That's a shame. Can't believe that one's dead. Never mind. I did only pay like 30 quid for it, so I'll chuck that one away. Or I'll open it up and have a look see if there's any damage. But even if you end up chucking it away for 30 quid, it pays for a few jobs, it's worth it. It's a good job I've got a 1/2 inch. Or maybe it's this. Ah, it's alright. It's working now. We're just in the centre. Oh, yeah, it's going both ways. Oh, well, I'm happy about that. Feels pretty solid actually. So you get loads of extensions. Spanners up to 19. A good braking wrench and extension. Up to 32mm. There ain't a 28. I need a 28 for my motorbike, which is a shame, but I can buy one of them cheap. Deep sockets as well. You always need deep ancella. Up to 16mm and down to 10. 10 to 16. Oh no, 10 to 22. Sorry. It goes up that way and then up that way. It's a weird setup, but oh, they're 10 again, but they're 1/2 inch, yeah, a 1/4 inch. So yeah, great selection. I'm really happy with it for the price. I was a bit disappointed there with that, but that seems to be working out. It's my fault. Some little Allen keys, very low quality, but they're in there. So there you go. I recommend it for the price, especially when the ratchets work.